Good morning, welcome to Sunday Morning Builds. This week we are looking at Brickheadz pets and set number 40546, which is Poodle 178 and Puppy 179. Now, part of this collection here in the Brickhead Pets, the dog range, we have the German Shepherd and the puppy. We have the Saint Bernard and the puppy. We have the Dalmatian and puppy. And we have the British Bulldog and the puppy. Sorry, the French Bulldog and the puppy. So adding to that collection is the Poodle and the puppy. So this set, when I was doing a little bit of research on this set comes with 304 pieces, which is quite a large piece count. And I'm not sure where all those pieces go, because just looking at the images, it doesn't look like there's too many of the small dots involved, but there's probably a lot more than what I think from what I can see on the images. So that's what we're going to get into. It will be a speed build as always, and then come back for a short review. So please hang around, watch the speed build, and then stay for the review. Hope to see you soon. Excuse me. Here we have set number 40546, number 178 the Poodle, 179 the puppy. This is the completed set. This took over 30 minutes to build, 33 minutes to build, 304 pieces. It was very time consuming with all the dots. The images don't do it justice on the box. There are lots and lots of one by one dots. Excuse me. And that is what takes a lot of time. It's probably the most comprehensive Brickheadz Pets build, certainly in piece count. I think 304 is the largest that we've come across in the Pets range. And there's a fair bit of weight to it too. It's all within the Poodle. All the detail around the edges and every single piece on the back, on the top, and on the front is covered in dots. The sides, not so much. Some larger pieces with minimal dots on the sides there, but across the top and back and front, all full of dots. Not one single piece does not have a dot on it. So, and it's heavy. It's probably one of the heaviest of the Brickheadz that there is. And then the puppy was actually quite short. So I think the Poodle was about 28 minutes, and then the puppy about 5 minutes. Well, actually, that's not quite true, because the base was 3 or 4 minutes, so the puppy would have been less than 5 minutes, and the Poodle made up the majority of the time, being around the 22-minute mark. So there we have it. Another addition to the dog range of Brickhead Pets. If I can get that back on. And I don't mind it. Now that there's a bit of a collection coming with the pets, I'm not a big fan of the pets thus far, but the more that I collect, the more I am growing towards them. And look, they're not too bad to have. I don't have them on my main display. They do take up a bit of room with the pet beds and the sidewalks and so forth, but that's just down to room. That's not really an issue. So there we have. I think I'm out of all the Brickhead pets at this point in time. I'm waiting for 2 new Brickhead sets to be released. FC Barcelona and Manchester United. Now, they're not actually numbered Brickheads to go into the collection. They are a little bit like the bride and the groom sets, where they're not numbered, but they are considered being Brickheads. So hopefully they will come out sometime in September here in Australia, and I'll have those to build and review very soon. So might be something other than Brickheads in the next following weeks. We'll see. So there we have it. Set number 40546, Brickheadz Pets, the Poodle 178 and Puppy 179 for this week's build. Hope you enjoyed that and hope you can join in the following weeks. Bye for now.